Okay, we're going to talk to you today about planting and different types. Okay, friends, we're on to the next step. So now you know what to do with planting depth and spacing in between, right? We're going to put that to work. You should have gone to your school and picked up a Grow at Home kit. And in that kit that we have put together for you, you should have gotten a journal, which is basically a piece of construction paper with some other pieces of paper inside of it. So I'm not showing that to you right now. We'll use that later. But right now we need the pot, the bag of potting soil, which we actually took right from the school garden to plant the seeds that we have here. He's using the same soil that you have in front of you. Your pot, and oh, there should have been inside the pot a little tiny seed packet. We basically took a big seed packet and cut it into 6 parts. And each student got a 1/6 or 1/6 of a seed packet. And inside of that seed packet, let's check out what's inside of it. Woo, so exciting. You can rip it open, you can open it carefully. Oh, you should have gotten 4 bean seeds. It's like Jack and the Beanstalk. Have you read that book before? Well, there's 4 magic beans. Well, I think they're magic because when you plant them and take care of them, they're gonna grow into an amazing plant. Okay, so what do? Put your seeds there. You're going to hold everything. We need to get a container to put under that pot. See what happens. Open up your soil packet. Oh, you know what I should have done first? I should have gotten a container to put underneath it. This is an important step. You can see what happens if you just pour the soil in. What's going to happen? It's just going to fall right down the bottom. So, go get something right now. A plate, a bowl, a recycled item. So, you're going to take your 4 seeds. And what was the spacing for the bean seeds? Farmer Brian, what was the spacing for the bean seeds?
1 inch.
I think it was approximately 1 to 1.5 inches between. 4 inches across. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to put as much space in between the seeds as possible. Okay, so I'm just making my hole like Farmer Brian did. So I'm going to sort of put one of the seeds in each of the 4 corners. Some of you might have gotten a circular pot. So you might want to put one in the center and then space out the other 3 around the outsides. Okay, so once you've put them in at a depth of about 1/2 to 1 inch, 1/2 inch to 1 inch, then you just do what we did in the big garden bed, pat it down, and now it's time to water. What do you think about that? We're done. Little pot.
You want to show them?
Grow. We're gonna get some water on our little plant. I'm taking our plant on a field trip. Okay, here you go, little plant. Ooh, you're sitting underneath our blue tent. Farmer Brian's gonna give it a little bit of water. Not too much, because what happens if you give it too much? Oh, our soil's a little hypoponic right now, which means it repels water. It's gonna take a little while for it to soak in. And you can see the water coming out the holes at the bottom. Now, do you understand why it's important to have a vessel underneath it or a collector of soil that comes out of the holes and water, right? We want to keep all the parents happy.
Definitely.
Farmer Brian's a parent. He wants to make sure there's no water all over his kitchen table. Okay. Hey, yeah, it's looking nice and damp in there now, and I think our little seeds are going to start germinating soon. Okay, so where do we place this little pot? What do you think?
In the closet?
Oh, I don't think in the closet. I don't think they'd be very happy in the closet.
Somewhere where there's light.
Do we want to put it in a really sunny window where the sun goes through the glass and gets really hot?
Maybe not.
No. Your seeds will get burned, or your teeny tiny sprouts will just get fried up. Remember we gave you that journal with the green cover. What do we want you to do with that? Well, every day we want you to take a look at what you have planted and observe what's happening in the pot. Has anything sprouted yet? So you can just write day 1, no growth. Day 8, I see green, and maybe draw a picture of it. We'll give you some specifics, and we'll send those instructions to your teacher or put it on whatever platform we're using, Seesaw or Google Classroom, okay? That's a beautiful spider.